Nice looking evening approaching us, but it's cold. 29 degrees, wind chill is 22. With all that snow cover, the sun just gets reflected right back out into space, so there's not a lot of warming that can take place, even though the sun angle is getting higher in the sky. 31 Newark, 28 Montgomery, same number at Islip, same number in Toms River, so upper 20s, around 30 right now. It's a cold one. Anything that did melt in some of that sunshine today is going to refreeze if it's not already doing so. And once it gets into darkness, you're going to have some little areas of ice again. Be aware of that overnight and tomorrow morning. Right now, not bad. Clear skies. We had a beautiful looking day. Here comes our next disturbance. Not going to be a big issue in terms of snow. The only thing about this that might be a nuisance is the timing of it. So here's 9 o'clock tonight. Nothing happening overnight. Fine past midnight. Then you get to 5, 6, 7 a.m. from northwest to southeast. And you can see this is kind of a broken area of light snow. Even on the fringes, maybe a little mix further south and east. This is 7 a.m. So there could be some slippery spots, untreated surfaces, colder surfaces in the morning. And then by afternoon, we're back into a little break or two of sunshine. A couple of sprinkles pass by to the north of us in the evening hours. As we head towards Thursday, during the day, it's dry. Still watching the possibility of a system to the south taking a run at us, or at least brushing us with a little precipitation. The trend has been a little further south. Even if this one does impact us, would not be a heavy hitter either. So here's a look at what we expect in terms of the snowfall overnight or really early tomorrow morning. Less than a ½ inch in the city, maybe an inch in a few spots north and west as well. But again, not a heavy hit, just more like a little nuisance out there. 24 the low tonight, increasing clouds. A few flakes could fly as we get towards daybreak, and then a little period of on and off light snow in the morning. Nothing heavy, some sun in the afternoon, 42 should do it. 7-day forecast. We stay in the upper 30s, so these are still below normal. Our normal high should be 44. We'll watch for that snow chance or mix Thursday night. It's out of here by Friday morning. Dry through the weekend. That's the good news, but Arctic air tries to build back in early next week. And does it come in with a storm? That's the big question mark. We'll watch that Monday night to Tuesday with temperatures back in the low 30s for highs.